ExpertOption graph types. At ExpertOption there are 4 graph types: area, line, bars and candlesticks. Area and line are the simplest ones. In this video we will talk about candlesticks and bars. They are the most popular chart types for analysis. Let's take a look at candlestick. It represents price movement during a time frame of the candle. For example, 1 minute candle shows how the price has changed in that minute. At ExpertOption, there are candles from 1 minute up to 1 month. A candle's body shows the opening and closing prices of the current time frame. Each candle also has a wick which shows the maximum and minimum prices. This is a bullish candle. It shows an uptrend. Bearish candles, on the contrary, show a downtrend. Bars are almost the same. They also show opening, maximum, minimum and closing prices. Bars and candles are used for various trading strategies that will be explained in our next videos. ExpertOption wishes you a successful trading.